Understanding muscle recovery.
After exercise, your body needs the right nutrients to repair, rebuild, and strengthen muscles. Proper nutrition helps reduce soreness, replenish energy, and speed up recovery. Knowing which nutrients are most important can make a big difference in your fitness progress. Let's explore the top 5 essential nutrients for effective muscle recovery after your workouts.
Protein, the building block.
After intense exercise, your muscle fibers experience tiny tears. Consuming adequate protein supplies your body with amino acids, essential for rebuilding these fibers stronger than before. Sources include lean meats, dairy, eggs, legumes, and plant-based proteins. Aim to include protein in your post-workout meal to support optimal muscle recovery.
Carbohydrates, restoring energy.
Carbohydrates help replenish muscle glycogen depleted during exercise. Glycogen is the stored form of energy in your muscles, and intense workouts can drain these reserves. Eating quality carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and starchy vegetables after training restores energy levels and supports protein synthesis. Balance carbs with protein for a complete recovery meal.
Electrolytes and hydration.
Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are essential for muscle function and fluid balance. Sweating during workouts leads to electrolyte loss, which can cause cramps and delay recovery. Rehydrate with water and include electrolyte-rich foods such as bananas, leafy greens, dairy, and nuts to replenish lost minerals and help your muscles recover smoothly.
Omega-3 fatty acids, fighting inflammation.
Omega-3 fatty acids play a role in reducing muscle inflammation and soreness after exercise. Found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, omega-3s help speed up the muscle repair process. Including these healthy fats in your diet can support recovery by easing inflammation caused by intensive workouts.
Vitamins and antioxidants.
Vitamins C and E, along with other antioxidants, protect muscles from oxidative stress. Exercise can generate free radicals that damage muscle cells. Antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, citrus fruits, nuts, and colorful vegetables help your body recover by neutralizing these harmful effects and supporting immune function during the recovery phase.
Putting it all together.
Combine these 5 essential nutrients for the best muscle recovery results. A balanced post-workout meal featuring protein, carbohydrates, electrolytes, omega-3s, and antioxidants can make a significant difference in how quickly and effectively your body bounces back. Remember, consistency in nutrition is key for sustained strength and progress in your fitness journey.